In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a ClickUp account step by step so you can get started with organizing your work and projects in just a few minutes. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. This can be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, or any modern browser you're comfortable using. In the address bar at the top, type in clickup.com, then press enter. This will take you to the official ClickUp website. Take a moment to make sure the web address is spelled correctly so you know you're on the legitimate site. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right area of the screen for a button that says either sign up or try free. These options both lead you to the same place, the account creation page. The wording can vary slightly depending on when you visit the site, but you're looking for the button that clearly invites you to start for free or sign up. Go ahead and click that. You'll now be taken to a simple sign up form. Here, ClickUp will ask you for your email address. Enter your work email in the box provided. A work email is typically the address you use for your job or business, often ending in your company's domain rather than a personal email service. Using a work email is helpful if you plan to collaborate with teammates, since ClickUp can sometimes suggest workspaces or help you connect with colleagues based on that domain. Type your email carefully and double check it before moving on. If you accidentally mistype your email, you may not receive important setup or verification messages from ClickUp, which can delay your ability to fully use your account. If you don't have a work email or you're just trying ClickUp for personal use, you can still enter a regular email address you check frequently. It will work the same way for creating the account. After entering your email, look for the button that completes the sign up process. It may be labeled something like sign up, continue, or get started. Click that button to move forward. At this point, ClickUp might guide you through a brief onboarding flow where you'll be asked to add your name, create a password, or answer a few quick questions about how you plan to use the platform, such as whether it's for personal productivity, a small team, or a larger company. Just follow the prompts on screen, reading each one carefully. In many cases, ClickUp will send a verification link to the email address you just entered. If you see a message telling you to verify your email, open a new tab or switch to your email app, then check your inbox. Look for a message from ClickUp, open it, and click the verification link inside. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folders. Verifying your email helps secure your account and ensures you can recover it later if needed. Once your email is verified and the initial prompts are complete, your new ClickUp account is ready to use. You'll be taken into your workspace where you can start exploring features like tasks, lists, and projects.